This is our video for the séptima competencia de química, and my team is conformed for...
Hi, I'm Antonio.
Hi, I present to you, my name is Valeria. And today this video will talk about a proposal to make new kind of things with a lot of colors, in this video we'll talk about our proposal to make new kind of things so it can be natural. In this video we'll talk about our proposal to make new kind of things so it can be more naturally and save our planet.
Main pigments, the color comes from varieties two families, beta-xenons, this red to violet, and beta-xenons, yellow to orange. These are very solid materials, pigment responsible for to use intense color. Solubility and sensibility batteries are very solid and highly sensitive to pH, heat, light, and oxygen. They are high and stable change with pH and they degrade with high temperatures and prolonged pouring to light to air.
Juice composition. In addition to pigments, the juice contains sugar, organic acids, nitrates, and phenolic compounds. These affect viscosity, fermentation, and reactivity with mordants. Stability and preservation. The pigments degrade in liquid solutions. Therefore, techniques such as drying or concentrating the juice are used to more stable powder or strap. Drying and pH control improve the color's shelf life.
This does not need and any additional preservative. Simple can eat and set it recipient into refrigerator is success.
Next, we'll show you a video that we made, and we didn't have the time to write it better, but it's worth clarifying that we made the video 100% ourselves, and we hope it's clear for you and that you get the video.
Imagine transforming a simple beetroot into vibrant, natural paint for your creative projects. It all starts by gently peeling the beetroot. Let your hands guide the smooth skin away, revealing its deep, earthy color beneath. Next, cut the beetroot into smaller pieces. Each slice exposes a brilliant shade of red, rich and full of life. Now mash the beetroot pieces thoroughly. As you press and crush, watch the juices begin to release, filling the air with a subtle sweet aroma. Once the beetroot is well mashed, add a splash of water. Stir and mix, letting the water bring out even more color and softness. Take a moment to grind the mixture further, ensuring everything blends smoothly. The texture becomes creamy, and the pigment feels more concentrated. Now you have your very own paint, made entirely from nature. With just one beetroot, a bit of effort and water, you're ready to create art that's truly eco-friendly and unique. Invite creativity into your space, knowing you're using something simple, pure, and sustainable.
This is a test with them on piece of fabric to prove that of natural ink, besides being eco-friendly, perfume is functioning perfectly.
We chose this based on a group idea. It seemed appropriate since we obtained this ink naturally, and its creation wasn't too difficult. It took us approximately 15 minutes to make a small amount, and if we wanted to increase the quantity, we didn't think it would take much time or effort. We also opted for this with objects that we could find near our homes or with materials that we already had at home. We used beads, some water, and we proceeded to make it in our school's lavatory with some help from our teacher. With this ink, we were able to create paints or objects that we could find in our daily life. which we will show you later. And we colored the sheet of paper, we colored the napkin, and we used some of our mixture, which we will mention it in a moment. And we created a glass with the color of our old basting, with a coconut scent and a long lacing finish. And these were things that we normally use that normally are created with many chemicals or dyes or objects that warm or environment, and we opted to create a different way to create these objects.
For a conclusion, we can make these kind of things with things that our own planet gives to us. And we can make this more naturally, and we can save the planet without giving any trash back. We hope you're having a great day, and this is great for you.